I'm going to be doing something slightly different today. I'm going to be showing you what I purchased when I went to a shop called B&M. I only discovered B&M about a year and a half ago.
B&M is a brilliant store that sells everything from groceries to furniture. The pet toys are the best, the quality is amazing, and they stock items that can be found at Pets at Home. But these items are at least a third cheaper.
I'm so glad I discovered this store. I'm going to show you what I purchased in B&M today. One of the items that we picked up was these woven baskets. Now these woven baskets are absolutely fantastic, brilliant quality. As you can see, very sturdy, and the price $4.99. Yes, I did say $4.99. $4.99. And I'm going to use this to store my skincare products in, to use these ones to store my makeup in. Now, I bought 2 sets of those because you can never have too many silver grey boxes.
B&M's cushion range is brilliant and very affordable.
So another item that I purchased was these cushions. Now,
B&M have some brilliant designs and lots of variety in colours. I would highly recommend their cushions.
There's new improved quality on there. So yeah, very happy with that. So I've got 2 of those, and these cushions will go on our bed.
So another item I picked up in B&M was their argan oil hair treatment, and the price was $1.45. The oils I'm currently using on my hair are by Organics, so it's the Organics Moroccan Argan Oil, and that's at $6.99, and the John Frieda Frizzies at $6.30.
So I'm going to try out B&M's argan oil treatment and compare it to the one I'm currently using and see if there's a difference. It says
cleansing, hydrating and nourishing.
We'll see.
So I'm going to do a comparison to see if there's a huge difference in quality and performance, as there's such a huge difference in price. $1.49 versus $6.99. So another item I picked up, not very exciting, it's a dustpan and brush.
And I think this dustpan and brush was 98p.
Yes, I said 98p.
You can't have too many dustpan and brushes.
I also spotted some hand wash by Carex for £1.
I got 2 of these, and these were only £1. Now, these are really good because they're by Carex and they are antibacterial hand wash, and you get
33% extra.
What a bargain. Right, so next item I got, for all those students out there, mature students like me, you can never have too many notebooks. This one was $3.49.
The paper quality is impressive, and the amount of sheets in the booklet is definitely good value for money.
Other thing I purchased from B&M were these lovely Postit Notes, and these were only $1.99.
Again, very good quality, 100 sheets per pack, very good value for money.
So another item that I purchased from B&M were these Simply Venus Gillette razors. Now
Their razors are by Gillette, and this is a brand that I often use. I thought the price was an absolute bargain at $1.49.
one of the main things that I like about B&M is that you can get zoflora, and you can get zoflora in so many different
Fragrances. Zoflora is a fantastic disinfectant and really good to use, especially if you've got pets. I use Zoflora as part of my daily cleaning routine, especially on the handles, floors and the utility room door. It's also good to use when cleaning your phone screen. I also use it at night to disinfect my pets' face and paw cloths.
Now this was $3.99. So this was $3.99.
Your fresh home odour remover and disinfectant Mountain Air Fresh kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses.
So I did notice that next to them they had something called Fabulosa. Fabulosa is a concentrated disinfectant that kills 99.9 bacteria, cleans and shines, eliminates odours, long-lasting freshness, 220 mils, and it makes 10 litres. Let's have a look at zoflora. Does it tell you how much it makes? But again, this is a different size. So, right now, this was only £1. I opened it to smell it, and it's not as strong smelling as zoflora. So I'm going to try this out and see if it does the job as well as zoflora, and if it's worth buying these versus zoflora. So the total balance spent in B&M was $65.39.
I was very happy with my purchases and will definitely recommend B&M to you, as you can get brand and non-brand quality items for a third of the price.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and visit our website and social media platforms for more tips, resources, advice, recipes and reviews. Thank you for watching.